How to send USDC from Phantom to Metamask. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can do this easily. So make sure you watch the video carefully to properly understand this tutorial. First of all, you need to launch your Phantom wallet application and then you just have to log in into your account. Afterwards, you just have to select your USDC that you have. So in order to select it, you first need to tap on the send option and then you need to select USDC. After selecting it, it will ask you to provide the USDC address in this section. So in order to get it from Metamask, you just have to launch your Metamask application and then you just have to log in into your account again if you haven't already. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to select the same network that you have selected in your Phantom wallet application and then you just have to select USDC. Then you need to tap on the receive button and then you just have to copy the address from here. Then you need to come back Phantom and then you just have to provide the address in this section and press the next button in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to enter the amount that you want to transfer and then you just have to initiate the transaction. After some time, you will be able to get USDC from your Phantom wallet to your Metamask account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.